Hi, and welcome to this quick 5-minute mat stretch, perfect to do after your workout or just to get some mobility in for the day and work on your flexibility. Nothing on our hands and knees. We're going to start on our back, safely roll down. We're going to extend one leg up into the air. And from here, we hug it close and then give me some ankle circles. Reverse that circle. Extend your bottom leg, bend the knee, and then I want you to cross over the body and then open up to the side, to the other side. So we're just going to kind of pass our knee back and forth here, feeling a stretch in that hip. And again, open up to the side, keeping your other hip bone on the mat. Great stretch for the hips and the inner thighs. Drop that foot to the ground. Bend your other leg. Same thing, we switch to the other side. Extend the leg up in the air. Gently pull it close to you for that hamstring stretch. And then we do some ankle circles. And reverse. Hold here, lengthen the bottom leg. Bend the top knee. And we pull it across the body. And then open it out to the side. Again, both hip bones stay pointed to the ceiling. Again, just passing it back and forth. Maybe you're finding a spot that feels good to you. Try lowering your knee a little bit or try lifting your knee a little bit for a different stretch. Okay. Next, we're going to come to a forward fold. Sitting up nice and tall. If your knees are bent, that's just fine. We hinge over from the hips, feeling a stretch again all the way up the backs of the legs, maybe into your lower back. We come up, cross one ankle over the other, and twist around. And come back to center, same thing other side. Crossing over, maybe pushing your elbow to the outside of that knee to assist with that twist. We come back to center, extend the legs, and we forward fold again, holding here. Let's go ahead and open up into a straddle stretch wherever you are comfortable, as long as you can sit up straight. So if that means bringing your legs closer together, then please do so. So sitting up nice and tall, we start with a small hinge forward, feeling that in the inner thighs. Try to keep a straight spine here. Think of a proud chest. And then we come up, turn the torso towards the other side to one leg here, dropping down. And come up, twist to the other side, rotating from that torso. Again, keep both hip bones on the mat. We come back to center, and one more time towards me. And finally, let's bring our legs together, whatever's comfortable for you, either straight forward or crisscross. We're going to reach one arm up. And then we're going to round forward, maybe a little tug on that knee, stretching the upper back. And then a big circle around. Reach up, side stretch. Round forward. Kind of scoop the tummy, rounding the back. And rainbow around. And finally, one big inhale up. And exhale down. Thank you so much for working out with me. We'll see you next time.